Dear students, today we are going to discuss some examples related to exercise 1.2. In our last lecture, we have studied the concept, the derivatives of inverse functions, in which we have studied the theorem related to inverse functions. That is, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dy by dx, means how to get the derivative of inverse function. Before that, we have discussed how the inverse function exists, means inverse function exists if the original function is 1 1 and on 2. Okay, so in last lecture we have studied all that concepts. Now we will solve some derivatives of an inverse function related to the exercise 1.2. So let's begin. Now in your exercise there is a question that find the derivative of y is equal to f of x using the derivative of inverse function x is equal to f inverse y in the following. Now see here, y is equal to f of x is the given function. It is obviously 1 1 and onto in its domain, and we have to find out the derivative of y is equal to f of x, but we have to use the derivative of its inverse function, that is x is equal to f inverse y in the following. Okay, so see, the function is given to you, y is equal to root of 2 minus root x. Okay, we have to find out the derivative of y is equal to f of x, means we have to find out dy by dx, but by using the derivative of inverse function. So for that we have to find out the inverse of this function. Now see, what is the technique? See, in answer what is given here? Given that y is equal to root of 2 minus root x. Say this is equation number 1. So obviously we know that this is y is equal to f of x. Now we have to find out its inverse function. Inverse function means x is equal to f inverse y. So see, how will you get that? So from this given function, now squaring equation number 1. Okay, so we get y square is equal to 2 minus root x. Okay, see here. Then root x is equal to 2 minus y square, and hence we get x is equal to 2 minus y square bracket square. So see the expansion, by expanding we get x is equal to 4 minus 4y square plus y square. So this is x is equal to f inverse y. So remember, whenever the function is given y is equal to root of 2 minus root x, then by some mathematical steps which are required here, we will get x is equal to this type of function, 4 minus 4y square plus y raised to 4. It is the inverse of this given function. Now we will differentiate this with respect to y. Okay, so regular differentiation, but with respect to y, remember here we have to differentiate the inverse function with respect to y. So what will be the dx by dy? See here, dx by dy is equal to, see, derivative of 4 is 0 minus 4y square, derivative of y square is 2y, so it becomes minus 8y, plus here derivative of y raised to 4 is 4y cube. Okay, now this is dx by dy. Now we required dy by dx. Okay, here the question is we have to find out the derivative of y is equal to f of x. So here we get dx by dy, but we require dy by dx. So that is the derivative of y is equal to root of 2 minus root x with respect to x. So we use that theorem. We will use that. We know that dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. Here we have, first of all we have obtained dx by dy. So that is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon minus 8y plus 4y cube. Okay, but we require dy by dx in terms of x. Okay, because that function is in terms of x original, y is equal to root of 2 minus root x, that is the original function. So we require dy by dx in terms of x. So further we change that this derivative like this, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon, here we take minus 4y common, into bracket 2 minus y square. Now from that equation number 1, we can write dy by dx is equal to 1 upon, replace y here as root of 2 minus root x, it is already given to you, into bracket 2 minus, in bracket 2 minus root x, and solving further we get this dy by dx. Finally 1 upon minus 4 times root x into root of 2 minus root x. So remember, the question is given the find the derivative of y is equal to f of x using the derivative of inverse function x is equal to f inverse y. So remember, don't find out the derivative of this given function directly, because directly derivative of this function is also possible by differentiating this y with respect to x, but do not do that procedure directly. Before that you have to find out the inverse of it, take the derivative of inverse, and then you find out the derivative of this function. Okay, so like this. So see carefully. Okay, now we will see another example. Suppose it is given that y is equal to log of 2x minus 1. Question is same. Here base is e. Okay, so in answer, first of all, this is y is equal to f of x and we require dy by dx. But before that we have to find out the derivative of its inverse. So what will be the inverse? So for that we convert this logarithmic function to exponential function. So we get e raised to y is equal to 2x minus 1. So since, because of this rule, if log of b to the base a is equal to x, that implies a raised to x is equal to b. See this relation, this is logarithmic equation, you have to convert it into exponential form. Compare this with this rule. Okay, you will get the idea how we get e raised to y is equal to 2x minus 1. Okay, now next step we have to find out x is equal to. Okay, so for that mathematical steps are like this: e raised to y plus 1 is equal to 2x. So we get x is equal to e raised to y plus 1 upon 2. Okay, so this is the inverse function of the given function, that is x is equal to f inverse y. Now we will differentiate this with respect to y. So take the derivative of this. Here 1 by 2 is constant, so see the procedure. So dx by dy is equal to 1 upon 2 outside of the differentiation into d by dy of e raised to y plus 1 with respect to y. Remember, here we have to differentiate the inverse function with respect to y. Now take the derivative of this, very simple. See the next step. We get dx by dy is equal to e raised to y upon 2. Okay, but now the question is we required dy by dx. Okay, so by the relation, means that by that theorem, we get dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy, and hence we get this step, and hence we get this 2 upon e raised to y. Now this is dy by dx, but it is in terms of y. We required it is in terms of x. Okay, so just by by using some previous steps, here you replace e raised to y. So see here it is e raised to y is 2x minus 1. So you can convert it into the term in terms of x. So the final answer will be dy by dx is equal to 2 upon 2x minus 1. So to get the derivative in terms of x, you have to use some steps, some previous steps by which you will get the derivative dy by dx in terms of x. Okay, so again here see the given function is this. First of all we find out its inverse, we take the derivative of inverse, and then by that theorem we find out dy by dx, and finally we require the dy by dx in terms of x, and hence we get this answer. Okay, so see such type of questions are given in your exercise. Okay, try to solve it, see carefully. Okay, Now we will solve another question related to that 1.2 exercise. Okay, so the question number 2 is find the derivative of the inverse of the following function. Okay, means one function is given to you. See, y is equal to x square into e raised to x. It is y is equal to f of x. The question is what? We have to find out the derivative of the inverse of the following function. Means we don't require the derivative of this function, we require the derivative of its inverse. Okay, so how will you solve this? So see, first of all we will differentiate this given function, that is y is equal to f of x, with respect to x. So by our u into v rule, follow the u into v rule, we get dy by dx is equal to x square into d by dx of e raised to x plus e raised to x into d by dx of x square. See this u into v rule, and hence we get x square as it is into derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x as it is into derivative of x square is 2x. Okay, so just by taking common here, dy by dx is equal to x into e raised to x into bracket x plus 2. Now this is dy by dx, this is the derivative of the given function. Now we require the derivative of its inverse. Okay, so as we require the derivative of inverse of this function, so that is by that theorem dx by dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx, and hence we get the answer dx by dy is equal to 1 upon x into e raised to x into bracket x plus 2. Okay, so this is the procedure to get the derivative of the inverse of the given function. Okay, so here don't not required to find out the inverse first, directly you take the derivative of given function. Okay, and then convert it into dx by dy. Okay, so no need to find out the inverse of this function here in this case. Okay, so see this procedure, regularly you find out the derivative of this function with respect to x, you will get dy by dx. And how will you convert it into dx by dy? Just by taking the reciprocal, and dx by dy is nothing but the derivative of inverse function, because x is what? If y is equal to x square into e raised to x, that is y is equal to f of x, then x is f inverse y, that is inverse function. So dx by dy is the derivative of inverse function. Okay, remember this question, this type of question. Okay, now see another question. If the function is given y is equal to x into log x, again same method, differentiate with respect to x. By u into v rule we get this step. See this properly, x into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of x, all the derivatives are known to you. See here, x as it is into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x as it is into derivative of x is 1, and hence by cancelling this we get 1 plus log x, this is dy by dx. But now we require the derivative of inverse of this function, so directly we get that. So that is dx by dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx. Okay, so answer is dx by dy is equal to 1 upon 1 plus log x. Very simple. Okay, so such type of questions are very simple, just on the basis of your knowledge that dx by dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx. So theorem is important, means with proof you have to remember that theorem. Okay, and how to use that theorem, and for that such type of questions are given in your exercise. Okay, now there is a homework for you. Okay, related to this exercise. See here, same question, find the derivative of y is equal to f of x using the derivative of inverse function x is equal to f inverse y in the following. Okay, just we have solved this type of questions. Okay, first the function is given y is equal to 2x plus 3. Write it down in your notebook and try to solve this. Okay, another function is given y is equal to e raised to x minus 3, and another function is given y is equal to e raised to 2x minus 3. Here what is the procedure? Here we have to find out, first of all you have to convert it into we have to find out the inverse of this function, means y is equal to 2x plus 3. You have to find out the inverse of this, take the derivative of inverse and then find out the derivative of the given function. Don't take the derivative directly, okay, in each of the three functions. Okay, so follow the procedure as we have discussed in this lecture. Okay, and another function is also given here, y is equal to log of x by 2 to the base 2. Remember here base is 2. Okay, so remember this while you convert it into the exponential form. Okay, so try to solve this also. And question number 2, that is the find the derivative of the inverse of the following function, in which first function is y is equal to x into 7 raised to x, second one is y is equal to x square plus log x, and third one is y is equal to x into cos x. So both the type of questions are discussed in this lecture, so try yourself as a homework. Okay, in case of any queries or any doubts, you can contact me on my personal number. Okay, so solve this type of questions. This is the homework for you. Okay, thank you.